There was a noise barrage at the Bureau of Customs today. Several custom personnel expressed their sentiments against a directive for them to return to their mother units. Again, here's Noel Perfecto.
A different kind of whistleblowers welcomed media men at the Port of Manila earlier today, as employees from the Bureau of Customs made an ear-shattering noise that is in response to the Customs Personal Order, or CPO, released by Secretary Cesar Purisima, which, according to them, will cause delays in operations in the upcoming days. Earlier, Secretary Purisima issued CPO recommended by Commissioner Rofi Biazon as a campaign against corruption within the Bureau. According to Romy Pagulayan, BOSEA, or Association of Customs Employees President, they were a bit hesitant with the period of the order.
Dapat talaga yan ibasura. And our agenda now is we have, as usual, ang BOSEA will go into extra legal and legal action to be able to project na itong mga nangyari ngayon sa amin, ayaw talaga ng mga empleyado.
In the directive, all employees and personnel should return to their MADI units, no matter what their position is, due to the reorganization. All of them will return to their plantilla positions and original units. The directive has already been in effect, and the revocation of their positions will end on September 27 of this year. Attorney Dino Tuason gave his reaction to the directive issued by Secretary Purisima.
The order is a lawful and valid order, which as personnel of the Bureau of Customs has to comply. Nag-usap na nga kami ni Commissioner Biazon, and he already instructed me to comply to the letter.
This will be the signal of the start and the change of the Bureau. And this is also expected to rid the BOC of corruption, to fully change and finally change the image of the Aduana. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.